Yeah, he wants to
Go ahead, buddy.
Okay, Mima, let me in front. Wow, it's another long straight one.
Wow. Go. Go. No? You're kind of a klutz. What? Go.
Keep going. Okay?
Yeah, you're okay.
You're okay. Keep going.
Go straight.
Maybe we should have brought the
Go
flower.
straight.
Good. For you.
Yeah, for me, Dad.
Go!
Make sure you pick up your feet so you don't trip anymore. Yeah, pick up your feet. CJ, go.
Oh, there's no grass.
Go, baby.
Oh, whoa. Whoa. Okay. Rocks.
Go. Yes, the rocks.
Careful.
Go.
Careful, rock.
Yes, be careful of the rocks.
Careful.
No, yeah. No. 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 No.
You're a silly goose.
No. No.
Oh. Careful.
No. I don't want to go that way. Do you want to go that way?
No.
Go that way.
Let's see if we can get out of here.
Come on.
We may never get out of here.
That's what I'm wondering how many people get
Come on.
Okay.
Well,
The rock.
it would have been a really bad sign if they had issued us flare guns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So obviously not that many people get lost. Would you get off the rock?
It takes 30 minutes, give or take 3 hours.
Go. Walk. Come on, CJ. Meemaw's
Meemaw.
leaving. Meemaw's leaving.
See you,
So's
bud.
Papa.
There's another animal.
A polar bear.
It's a good one.
A polar bear.
Boom!
Polar bear.
Look, it's the polar bear. We're going to show you the polar bear.
Up, baby, that's up.
See? The polar bear. The polar bear says, "Arr!"
The bear?
See the bear? What does the bear say? The bear says, "Arr!"